Marking a document as final is indicating to people that this is the final version of the document, and it's an attempt to discourage people from making any further changes. To mark this document as final, click File from the ribbon and then go to Protect Document. There's the option Mark as Final. Click this. The workbook will be marked as final and then saved, so click OK. This message is just warning us that this file does contain macros, but click OK. This document has been marked as final to indicate that editing is complete, and this is the final version of the document. When I click OK, the document has been marked as final to discourage editing. When I click Home, I can tell by looking in the bottom of my screen towards the bottom left of the status bar a little icon that indicates that this document has been marked as final. So that should discourage people from making any further changes. It also warns me up here an author has marked this workbook as final to discourage editing. If they do want to edit the final though, all they have to do is click this button to edit anyway. So it's only to discourage. It's not a permanent way to stop them from changing the file. If you wanted to stop them from changing the file, you would have to protect the workbook, which is covered in the Stage 2 package.